Hello, everyone. Cindy Houston here with Women's Circle Chicago. And today we have our next guest lead for April 13th, 2026. And our guest lead is going to be Tremaine Butler DeLong. She has a PhD. She's also an anthropologist, a wellness expert, and a Mayo Clinic certified wellness coach. She's the founder of the Anthro Spa Logic LLC, which is a clean beauty line. And her talk for the Women's Circle is going to be about reclaiming wellness, self-care experience for sustainable living. So, Tremaine, thank you so much for being here today, for saying yes to speaking for the April 13th, 2026 Women's Circle Chicago, both in studio at Yoga Body Elements and online. And for people who don't know who you are, Tremaine, who are you?
Yeah, thank you so much, Cindy, for having me. I'm excited to talk to the Women's Circle. And thank you for that introduction. And as you mentioned, my background is anthropology. I'm a cultural anthropologist. I've spent many years teaching in anthropology and the social sciences. Some of the courses that I've taught and developed include Native American cultures, African cultures, Latin American cultures, as well as cultures and research methods and public policy. And most recently, taught a course in entrepreneurship at Case Western, sustainable entrepreneurship, which leads me to my business venture. I decided to start my company, Anthro Logic. I found that as a mom of four, I love to visit spas to kind of rejuvenate myself, get away, and to relax. And one of the things I noticed when I visited spas was that there weren't many products that were all natural, non-toxic, and that really offered results that I wanted to see in a spa treatment. Specifically, results that promoted sort of anti-aging and vitality without any toxic chemicals. And so I decided to use my background in anthropology to think about and do some research on what different cultures around the world have been using traditionally on their skin. And so I developed a skincare line. And so Anthrospologic was born, and it's a clean skincare line, sustainable. We use eco-friendly packaging, and the products are 100% natural. So they're designed to give you the results of a spa treatment at home. And so you can get that spa quality experience. And so our products are available on our website. I've expanded recently, and just another little note about them, we combine ingredients from 6 continents around the world. So traditional medicinal ingredients in the product line. Been happy that they've been featured in the Grammy gift bags one year, and ABC News, NBC News, and Wellness Magazine most recently. We've also sort of expanded our services recently. One of the things that I found that I really wanted to do was to not just help people feel better on the outside with healthier skin, but also feel better on the inside. And so I became a wellness coach certified by the Mayo Clinic. And so now we actually offer a digital wellness program that allows people to get healthier and reach their wellness goals using holistic natural methods. And so that is available on our website as well as a subscription-based program. We give people the resources and the tools to reach their wellness goals holistically. And the third thing that we've started to do is I do a lot of consulting with organizations that want to start wellness initiatives. So worked a lot with the University of Illinois College of Medicine. I have a colleague over there who started a youth wellness program and initiative funded by the MacArthur Foundation. And so we trained youth as community health workers. So I designed curriculum, helped design curriculum to train the youth. And also, we worked on wellness centers in some CPS schools. And so I led that project to develop some of these wellness centers to put into schools. Currently, working on a cookbook that actually focuses on food as medicine. And so that is the current project that I'm collaborating with my colleague on at the College of Medicine at University of Illinois. So that's just a little bit about me. The last note that I'll mention is that I founded a 501(c)(3) as well called Transformawell, in addition to Anthropologic. So Transformawell is really all about the mission is to help educate communities about healthy lifestyle strategies to prevent chronic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, obesity, cancer, which actually affect 60% of Americans. And so we want to get those educational resources out to communities. I do a lot of workshops in local schools, churches, collaborate with local organizations to provide resources and educational presentations and experiences. So,
Thank you, Tremaine, for sharing all of your projects and all the work that you're taking action in to just have wellness be available, not only just on a general sense, but getting active with the youth, merging your anthropology with your wellness, clean skincare line brand, and and your cookbook and your nonprofit. Just so many great things that you're creating out in the world for wellness. And you said yes to speaking to Women's Circle Chicago. What had you say yes?
yeah, so actually I just learning more about this women's circle and the yoga body element studio, I found like it would where I thought that it would be a great opportunity to share some of my experience and expertise within the wellness space and actually met you, Cindy, through She Rises Studios and was able to connect that way and was happy that we made that connection and followed up and started to discuss talking about this women's circle. And so I'm happy to be a part of it.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for accepting the invitation and saying yes.
Yeah.
So the women that are coming to the circle on April 13th, 2026, in person or virtually, um, what will you be sharing that day for your share for the circle?
Yeah, so we'll be talking about some wellness strategies that will help to prevent chronic diseases, some healthy lifestyle changes that we can make that are really simple. And also, we'll be looking at some self-care strategies to help relieve stress and anxiety. And that will include an experiential component for those who are in person, where we'll get to have a mini demo and demonstration of a facial that you'll be able to do.
How fun. Um, so is there anything that the women need to bring for the circle that day to prepare for your share?
No, just bring themselves and their excitement, and that's it. No special equipment needed.
Excellent. And we do serve tea and ceremonial cacao. So if you are coming in person, please bring a mug for that. And you can also prepare to join us in virtual as well. Tremaine, for people that are curious about the projects you're creating, learning more about your wellness beauty line, is what's the best way that people can stay connected to you and learn more?
Sure. So we have a website, and the website is anthrospa.com. So there you can learn about our products. You can actually order our products. You can actually also learn about our wellness program and our collaborations with corporations or organizations interested in wellness initiatives. And you can also learn about the nonprofit at our website, our transformawell.org, if you're interested in our 501(c)(3). And I'm happy to connect on social media. I'm available on LinkedIn. You can send me a LinkedIn request and also on Instagram. Our Instagram for AnthroSpa is at naturalbeautyanthrospa.com. So I'd love to follow for you guys to follow us on Instagram.
Excellent. Thanks for sharing those details. Is there anything else that you want to share today?
No, that's it. Thanks so much, Cindy.
My pleasure. So Make sure to pre-register. We have space for about 25 in the studio space, and we have plenty of space for you to join virtual. Jermaine, thank you again. Look forward to having you on April 13th at Yoga Body Elements in Chicago, and we'll see you all very soon.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Bye for now.
Bye bye.